Thank you for watching another Vegas Winner $55 challenge. Today we're playing Sahara Gold. And for those that don't know, a $55 challenge is we start with 55 and try to get a bonus or double up. Sometimes we triple up, but definitely it's a bonus or bust. So sometimes you bust. I don't produce a lot of the busts, but you know, let's see how we do. Sahara Gold's a fun game. I really like the the hold and spins and the lightning. So let's try to see. Oh, look! Nice. Got it. Isn't that nice? Well, let's get some more now. That's part of this game because you can get a minor, you can get a mini. Mini on the dime denoms is $100, and the minor is $500, which I was fortunate to get a few weeks ago, which was pretty cool. See if we can do it again. Come on now. Ooh. All right, 3 more tries. All right, last try. It's okay, we did pretty good. Let's see what it adds up to. Good, $40 hold and spin bonus. I'll take that and keep playing. So sometimes the $55 challenge I might stop, but I feel pretty good about this machine. I'm going to keep playing, see how we do. Didn't quite double up yet, so I try to double. Oh, sheesh! Look at that. Glad I kept playing. That's the bonus. See how we do on this one. Left or right? I'm going to go left. Hold and spin again. All right, let's see how we do. There's 2. All right, there's a mini, or it's actually a mini, huh? $100. That's pretty cool. It's already a good bonus as far as I'm concerned. Anything else is gravy. Love to see a minor, or another mini would be cool too. Alright, last spin. Ooh, that was pretty good. Take it. Cut it off a little bit. $132.50. Pretty good bonus. One of the better ones I've had today. Yeah, I'm going to keep on going, and I'm almost at 200 now. I'm going to play down to maybe 150. I'm feeling pretty good. I might even up the bet a little bit. Switch around from 25 dimes to 50 dimes. You know, sometimes I'm feeling pretty good, so might push it, especially since I'm up a little bit on this machine. I think I might just push it a little bit. Set a limit. I'll set the limit at 150. See how we do, but I'd love to get another one. Get a couple things. Ooh, there's 2 kings. Look at that one. Now for a few more spins here. Come on now, let's get the bonus. Let's get a bonus. Alright, that was my last spin, but we're gonna cash out at 150, which I think was a pretty good day. Started with 55, ended with 150, and thanks for watching Vegas Winner 55.